Hey everyone! Today in math, we're going to be doing another activity with our numbers. Before we get started, let's go over our vocabulary. We've got some new ones today. Our first one is 10 frame. You might remember what a 10 frame is from kindergarten. A 10 frame is this little box split into 10 squares, or 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. You put dots in them to show numbers. So 1 is 1 dot, 2 is 2 dots, and so on and so on. When you get to 10, you have the full 10 frame full. So you can easily look at it and say, oh, that's 10. And once you pass 10, you have to add another 10 frame to show bigger numbers. So 10, 11. Then we add another one, we get 12. Okay, so it helps us see groups of 10. Our next number is ones. Ones are numbers 1 through 9. So they look like these little squares. Okay. Once you get to 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you have 10, you get a group of 10, so a tens rod. That's what this looks like. So this is one group of 10. So the number 13, this is the 10 spot. I see I have one group of 10 and 3 ones. So the number shows me how many groups of 10 and how many ones I have. I'm going to show you that in a different way before we look at our next vocabulary words. Okay, so I have a 10 frame here. Okay, so let's see how many I have. I know this is 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13. How many groups of 10 do I have? That's right, I have one full group of 10 because my tens frame is full. So let's stack all these together to get my group of 10. Okay. How many ones do I have left over? Okay, so we have one group of 10. And then do I have another group of 10 down here? No, I just have 3 ones left over. So I have 3 ones left over. I'm not going to stack those up because it's not a full group of 10. So my number is 13. So I have one group of 10 and 3 ones. Okay, 13. This number shows my group of 10s, and this number shows my ones, right? Okay, let's try with one more number. Let's just see if we can remember. Let's do 17. How many groups of 10s does 17 have? That's right, I have one group of 10, and I'm going to have 7 ones. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Okay. What about the number? Let's try the number 32. For 32, how many groups of 10s am I going to have? That's right, I would have 3 groups of 10s, so I'm going to show my groups of 10s with little rods. I'm going to draw them out, though. So I have 3 groups of 10, 3 tens rods, and how many ones? 2 ones. Good job. So instead of using the blocks this time, I drew rods. So these are my tens rods, and these are my ones. Alright, so let's go on to our next couple vocabulary words. The next word that I see is numeral. So numeral is just a number. So for example, 13, or 12, or 7. It's just when the number is in number form, that's a numeral. The last one I have is number line. That's a new one too. Number lines can help me count. So you make one big line with 2 arrows, put little dashes and numbers with them. Okay, so we'll talk about that more during today's activity. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so you're going to need to find the papers that look like this, and then you have all of these pages with different things to count on them. Okay, so I have mine here. Let me get them out and ready for you guys to see. Ooh. So mine are right here. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is write my name. Alright, so for this activity, you're going to count what isn't on each of these papers. So each one of these is a station. This is station 1. What am I counting? Basketballs. So I'm going to write basketballs. Alright. You're going to tell me the 10s and 1s that you counted. And you're going to write the number. Okay? So the numeral is the number. Then you're going to show me how you counted on the number line. We'll get to that in a minute though, okay? Alright, let's do the basketballs first. This is a lot of basketballs. So I could count each one by one. Or what's a quicker way I could count them? What do you think? I could make groups of 10, right? I could count like in groups of 10. So let's count a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle my group of 10. So that's one group of 10. Let's count, see if I have, do you think I have another group of 10? Probably. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you cross them out as you go. I didn't do so well crossing them off that time. So another group of 10. Okay, let's see if I have another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's another group of 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, you can also count them one by one if that's easier. I just think counting by 10 is the easiest way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another group of 10. Let's see if I have another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Okay. So now let's see how many groups of 10 I have. I can see I have one group of 10, so that's 10, 20, there's another one, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I can just count up my groups of 10s. Alright, so how many basketballs do I have here? That's right, I have 60 basketballs. Alright, now let's see. How many 10s do I have and how many 1s? Let's see, remember this is the 10s and this is the 1s. I can also look, how many groups of 10 did I have? I had 6 10s, so I had 6 groups of 10s. How many 1s do I have? I don't have any 1s, 0 1s. Alright, now on the number line I'm going to show how I counted it. How did I count mine? I counted mine by circling groups of 10s, right? So on the number line I'm going to do a dash. Do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, because that's how I counted it. Then I'm going to jump. I did 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good job. Alright, so that was station 1. Now let's do station 2. What am I counting on station 2? Let's write bugs. I have so many bugs here. I think it's going to be smart for me to do groups of 10s again. What do you think? Yeah, so let's count groups of 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one group of 10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me not forget to go up and get this guy because he's a part of this 10. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me go get these guys. Okay, then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh wait, not him. Alright, and I'm going to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 3 left over. Alright, so my groups here are a little confusing, so I'm going to color them in so I can see them better. So I have 1 here. I have 1 here, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I have 3 left over. Okay, so I have 11 groups of 10. So I have 11 tens. Let's start with this one this time. And how many ones do I have? 3 ones. So I have 11 tens and 3 ones. What number is that? 113. Later we'll talk about this place, the hundreds place, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Right now we're just going to look at the tens and the ones, okay? So now let's skip count. What did I count by? So I counted by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Can I go to 120? Well, I could, but where am I stopping at? 113. So after 110, let's start counting by ones. 111, 112, 113. So I did 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112, 113. Alright, so you see what I did? I circled all my groups of tens. I saw I had 11 groups of tens and 3 ones. It's number 113. And then I did my number line. Okay? So I want you to do this with all of the rest of the stations, okay? If you have any questions at all, let us know. Remember, if counting by tens is a little confusing for you, you can count them one by one. Okay, if that's how you want to do it, then that's how you can do it. Okay, but I want you to try the tens. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Have a good day. Bye.